I was born and raised in Kenya, and I have 3 sisters. I live in Hagadera with my parents. This year,
Abdikarim Sidi. Please welcome Abdikarim Sidi. Please welcome.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today here I want to talk about myself. My name is Yasmin Abdikarim Sidi, and I am a senior at Hilqan College Standards to get my degree included with a business morning. I was born and raised in Kenya, and I have 3 sisters. I live in Hagadera with my parents. This year I will be working the company of the Habshil as a part-time. Otherwise, thank you for your listening carefully.
Okay.
I'm greeting you, the best and the most precious greeting, that is peace of Allah be upon you. After greeting, my name is Shadir Murjan Mohammed. Today I would like to suggest here a speech on reading. So I am requesting to my spectators to listen to my speech carefully. When we are students, it is compulsory for us to read our lessons because reading has countless advantages. And if I try to narrate a bit important of reading, if you read a lot, your mind will develop and expand, and your knowledge will increase rapidly. If you accustom reading your lesson, you will learn many useful things, and you will inherit many valuable experiences, and you will achieve your goal. I don't want to prolong my speech. I wanted to conclude my speech this saying, which says, the more you read, the more you know. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, it was Shadir Mohammed Murjan, and suggesting that one, being reading something and it's better to know everything. The more you read, the more you understand something. So now, thank you, Mr. Shadir, for suggesting us that topic. Okay, now let me just welcome to Fadumo Ibrahim Abdi. Fadumo Ibrahim Abdi. Fadumo Ibrahim Abdi. Fadumo Ibrahim Abdi.
Honorable teachers, honorable parents, honorable spectators, and honorable guests. Good afternoon to everyone. After greeted, my full name is Fadim Ibrahim Abdi. Today, I would like to suggest here a speech on the teacher. Although I have no confidence in my little knowledge, but I will try my best. Teachers removes us from the darkness. Teachers always think about us. Teachers deceives to give him special respect. Teachers is the life of the society. Teachers is the father of the society. Without teachers, nothing comes in. Thank you all of you for listening to me my speech careful.
Thank you. Abdurrahman Jama Aya. Abdurrahman Jama Aya. Abdurrahman Jama Aya. Abdurrahman Jama Aya.
Ladies and gentlemen, today here I want to talk about discipline. My name is Abdurrahman Jama Aya. Discipline is something that keeps every person in control. It motivates a person to progress in life. Everybody following discipline, his or her life in different form. Although everyone has his own perspective of discipline, I encourage my fellow students to keep discipline. And I wish everybody if you success in life. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Abdurrahman Jama Aya. Thank you for that one. Ruwaida Hussein Abdullahi. We want Ruwaida Hussein Abdullahi. We want her to be suggested as Kiswahili. Kiswahili. Kuhitimu. Kiswahili. Ruwaida.
Wanafunzi wenzangu, kwa walimu wenzangu, kwa walimu wanaoheshimiwa, ni furaha kubwa kwangu kusimama kichwa cha wewe na kuwakilisha mada ya kuhitimu kwangu. Kwanza, jina langu ni Ruwaida Hussein Abdullahi. Ninaishi wazazi wangu huko Hagadera. Kwa hiyo ninaondoka na hapa leo hautajiri wa juzi. Ninakuwa na hazina daiva. Kufanya kazi hapa imekuwa uzoevu wa kujifunza ajabu, na ninahisi kama kuwa hapa na mwenye mringo. mwenye mringo. Asante, napenda mafanikio.
And I would like to thank my father, my mother, my brother, my sister, and my friends.